Hi guys, good afternoon. So how are you all? Okay, currently two people are watching. Thank you so much guys for your support. Okay, thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me from the live chat. So this is like a interaction session. Okay. Yeah, Ashwant, Ashu. Hi sir, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon, Ashwant, Ashu. Thank you so much for your support. And also please support our channel for upcoming videos as well. Okay, you can interact with me regarding your resume preparation or applying for the jobs or any interview related concepts or anything. You can just feel free to ask me from the live chat. Okay. So far we have covered many videos from our channel. Thank you so much for all your support towards all the videos. Okay, if you have any queries, you can directly feel free to ping in the live chat so that we can discuss accordingly. Okay. Yeah. Anyone have any if you want to ask me any questions related to any concepts or framework related or any kind of thing, you can just feel free to ask me from the live chat. Okay. So this is for I came only for half an hour session. Okay, I just want to let you know people, so it is a time to discuss because I am not conducting any live sessions from last 2 weeks. So I just thought to conduct some live sessions so that I can interact with you at least for shorter time. So that's the reason why. Okay. Yeah. Currently three are watching. Thank you so much. Ashwant, Eshu, and yeah. Okay. Hi Chandramohan, very good afternoon. Thank you so much, sir. Please explain automation test engineer entire daily workflow. Yeah, sure, Ashwant Eshu. Thank you so much for your question putting in the live chat. Yeah, usually an automation tester, what he will do for once he will log in means first he will read all his emails. Okay, so based upon his yesterday's task, he is going to check whether I have any updates or if there are any requirements or if there is any inputs from the other people or not. So and also after that, once he logged in, he will check with his emails. So later what he will do, he will directly start his working. So by taking some user stories, either it is from any test management tool or bug tracking tool or any type of tool, so where he is getting the test cases. So once he got the user stories assigned with any user stories, he is going to automate the test cases with the help of the framework what he is using in his project. Okay, so at the same time, once for example there is a requirement like he have to complete one user story, there he is having almost five test cases. Okay, in the same day, if everything is okay, he can able to complete. But so while he is automating all the scripts, he found any issues. So during the time, he is going to raise that particular bug from Jira tool to the respective developer, so that based upon the severity how affecting this bug our application. So based upon that, the developer is going to make some priorities on the assigned bugs. So then only he is going to start and he will fix if it is high priority defect. If it is not a high priority, so that he will let us know like how soon, how many days he is going to take for resolving that particular bug which has assigned by a tester. Okay, so once he got fixed that one, like developer fixed that particular defect, so he will he will directly again back to the tester to retest if any requirements is there to conduct, to receive any new build means again he will deploy some new build. So there, so whatever the bug he raised, right, so it have to be work properly. So and also before starting his work on daily, once he log in daily morning or around, based upon the client timings, he is having some daily stand-up meetings. Okay, so where he will connect with his internal team, as well as there are some scrum meetings as well. So daily it should be maximum from 30 minutes to 1 hour. So there they are going to discuss about what is the current current requirements and future, if there are any blockers, how we can focus, and also individually we have to explain what we planned for today. Okay, so individually what we have planned for today we need to explain during our scrum meeting. So at the same time we have to tell about yesterday how much we got completed, is there any blockers or not, if you stopped regarding of some which is related to any defect or something, we have to explain. Okay, so at the same time we have to confirm the scrum, during our scrum meeting we need to update like for tomorrow what is our plan. Okay, so likewise, so once that is done, he is going to start automation his scripts. So then he is going to sending the reports on daily basis, that is daily status report, and also we can have weekly status report as well, how much work we completed for that particular week. So where we can calculate during our sprint duration how much work got completed for each and every associate. Okay, once that is done, he will take logout from the working hours. At the same time, once he finished his automation script, he needs to update his code into GitHub. Okay, so with the help of any local branch, or sometimes he needs to update directly to the master branch. Okay, if he is acting as a lead, if lead was there means first he need to send his code to, yeah, send his code to, okay, send his code to which one, he needs to send his code for reviewing, like he can perform some peer review, as well as the lead will also review all your code. So once if you push to the branch, there is some local branch. So once that is done, the developer is going, that lead is going to merge all your changes including his changes, and he will push the final code to the master branch. So here blocker means, so it is not allowing, okay, it is not allowing to move further, it is not allowing to test anymore in further. So that we can call it as a blocker. Okay, for example, if we can consider as a login functionality only, if you not entering the proper credentials, then it is not going to allow you. So in the same way, in each and every application there are some areas, so where that should, that must and should have to be work. Okay, during that time if it is not working as expected means we are not able to perform testing, okay, for remaining steps. So that is where we can call it as a blocker. Okay, anyone have any other questions? Yes, please please let me know from the live chat. So the session is still up to 1:50 p.m. Okay, so I just start to come and interact with you guys. Okay, and also I am uploading videos on daily basis. Please go through all our videos, which will really helps you a lot in terms of framework related, as well as in terms of test ng, as well as in terms of Selenium concepts. Also I have covered each and every concept inside our channel. So please go ahead and watch. If you like all those videos, then only you can drop a like. I'm not forcing you to drop a like and drop a subscribe. Okay, so but please learn something which is helping you from our channel Selenium Tech Automation. Okay, yeah, any other questions, Ashwant, Ashu, and Prabal Kumar? Yeah, thank you so much, good afternoon. Okay, any other questions, guys? If you want to ask me, please feel free to ping in the live chat so that we can discuss one to one. So whether it is, sir, please explain hybrid framework. Yeah, hybrid framework. I have already covered this topic, Ashwant, Ashu. So hybrid framework in the sense where we are combining two types of frameworks, whether it is data driven or keyword driven, or whether it is data driven framework plus TestNG framework. Any type of, if you are combining two types of frameworks means, then we can call it as a hybrid framework. Okay, so I have already covered this concept, but it is not possible to explain from here. if I will cover your all videos, then we can show 2 years of work experience in automation. Yeah, obviously, and also I have recently started Prabal Kumar from beginning the Selenium basic concepts. Okay, so as per our subscribers requirements, currently I am making videos on interview questions especially. So later I have covered a few videos about the framework architecture. So before that I have covered about extent reports and TestNG, and there are many topics like Jenkins I have covered. Okay, so and also page object model, and also there are few more concepts where we can automate, I mean where we can take it from Selenium automation testing point of view. So if you, I mean if you find, like if you found that is enough for you, then there was no issues. But again I am suggesting, please go through all the I mean all videos from any one of the channel, okay, which is suitable for you, where you can learn easily, so that that will really help you a lot while attending for any interviews. Okay, but I am not telling you to you are asking something question like then we can show 2 years work experience in automation. I am not sure whether you are currently working, or you are not currently working, and also you are planning to move your career from the current what you are working to automation testing and all. I am don't know, and I don't know about all those, but I will suggest you to go through all our videos from my channel Selenium Tech Automation, so that it will helps you at least what you are expecting. Okay, testing job has been stopped now, not getting any job. What is the reason behind that? That is completely fault information, Prabal Kumar. So why you are not getting, okay, why you are not getting any job means, first of all your resume is not the correct one. Okay, first of all is not the your resume is not the correct one. So the way how you prepared, at the same time, if you are applying from any job portal like Monster or Indeed or which one, or naukri.com, so there if you are, if you updated your profile in a proper way means, then obviously will get more calls nowadays. So then there won't be any issue. That is completely a fault information. So every time the jobs will be there, but due to our options only jobs, you are not getting any alerts from the recruiters. Okay, try to upload your resume on daily basis, and also please do modifications in your resume, so that, and also you can add, okay, you can add more skills. Okay, you can add more skills as per your studying. Like suppose if you can ask me, I can put my resume like SQL also I know. I mean I have a good experience with SQL database testing, as well as I have very good experience with framework designing from scratch level. So these and all, if you have enough, I mean if you have all these skills means, so that you can update all your skills on daily basis. Whenever you are learning some new skills means, then you can directly go to your job portal, so there you can upload. And also please find what is a, I mean trending, okay, what is a trending tool in the market nowadays. Okay, accordingly we can go and learn that particular course, so then you can add inside your resume, so that it will give some weight for your resume. So then you will get, obviously daily you will get I think more than 3 or 4 calls you will get. Okay, and currently you are working as a manual tester. Thank you so much, Prabal Kumar. Yeah, manual tester means you are in the right way now. Okay, first what I will suggest, first you can familiar with manual testing, then only go and learn some programming language. Okay, that is Java language or C sharp, Python or Perl. Okay, once if you are familiar with all these kind of programming languages, so then only you can learn automation testing, because in automation testing there was nothing more to learn. Only 70 only in interview only will get only 50 to 60% of questions only from interviewer, but remaining all questions from the programming language what you are learning currently, where you are experienced with. Okay, keep that in mind, and prepare in that way. Yashwant issue in real time thread dot sleep, why we are not using? Yeah, definitely thread dot sleep we are using. Okay, there was no issue if we are using thread dot sleep. Okay, if you are not using means, then what is the use of thread dot sleep? Okay, we have to use thread dot sleep when all our Selenium wait conditions are not working as per our expectations. So during that time there was no mistake to use thread dot sleep. Okay, obviously we can use the thread dot sleep as well. Sometimes you may see more synchronization issues on your browser level only. That is, if you are working with IE browser, your scripts will always work fine, because by defaultly IE browser will a little bit slower compared to the Chrome browser as well as Firefox and Edge browsers. Okay, if you are running all your test scripts on Edge browser or Chrome, means obviously we will get more synchronization issues. At the same time, as a Selenium is a free open source tool, okay, free open source tool, okay, if you are finding some issue, means then there won't be any point of contact. If you are using like QTP or any Cypress tool, means then we have to buy it, right? So during that time, so there will be some person who will answer you for all your queries. So that's the reason why. Sir, please explain interview questions percentage weightage for experienced candidate. Yeah, thank you so much, Ankush Chauhan. So questions percentage weightage for experienced candidates. Yeah, what I will suggest you, Ankush Chauhan, thank you so much for your question. Okay, so what I will suggest to you means, so first learn the manual concepts. Even if you are working, I mean if you are an experienced candidate also, first go through all the manual testing concepts, because if we are an experienced candidates, means we will forget, there will be some chances to forget about the basic concepts before attending for any interview. So that is where I am suggesting, first go through all the manual testing concepts. Even if you know also, there won't be an issue. Just go and refer all the manual testing concepts, like the defect life cycle, and also what are the black box testing technique, and what types of testings we have inside our black box testing, and also what are the different types of test case design techniques, that is ECP, that is equivalence class partitioning, boundary value analysis, use case based testing, state transition testing. So these and all we have to must and should you have to know before attending for any interview. And also first learn about the agile methodology, and also you can learn about SDLC model and STLC model, and mainly you can learn about test plan as well. As you are an experienced candidate, you may get definitely one interview question from test plan related question. At the same time, go through the what is regression testing, retesting, sanity, smoke, exploratory, what is risk based, what is ad hoc testing. So these are all the concepts where we need to learn. So once if you are familiar with all these concepts, then go and practice some programs which are related from Java, I mean Java programming language, such as how to reverse a string without using any reverse method which is provided by string, and also how we can reverse a string without using string buffer and string builder classes, and also how we can reverse a string with the help of, okay, how we can reverse a string with the help of for loop, and also check whether the given string is palindrome or not, sorry, given number is palindrome or not. And also there are some basic programs, print some star patterns he will ask you, and also he will ask you to print all the tables at a time. So there are some basic programs, and also you must and should have to be familiar with oops concept. So and also you will get one question you can expect, that is uh, oops concepts you have used inside our framework. Okay, this question is must and should for every experienced candidate. So later, once if you done with this one core Java questions, so then interviewer will ask you about Selenium related automation testing related questions. Okay, so there what we can expect if you are working as an experienced candidate, means you can expect a question from TestNG, and also you can expect a question from explain about your project framework folder structure, and also he will explain, I mean he will ask you about dynamically changing web elements how to handle, and dynamic web tables how you can handle, and window handlings, as well as we have many concepts like write a code for capturing the screenshot, and also write a code for generating the reports. So these and all we will definitely face during our interviews. Okay, in terms of percentage how much I can mention, means, so from Selenium point of view you may get only 40% of questions, so then remaining all are related to manual and core Java questions only. So that too why I am telling here core Java, means core Java concepts are enough if you want to start your career, or if you already start your career as automation test engineering for attending any interviews. Okay, first learn the manual basic concepts, what are all the required for interviews, as well as for then you can learn programming language, that is Java programming language. That too, for an automation tester, core Java concepts are enough. Okay, so once that is done, go through all the concepts from Selenium, and also please Google it, what are all the different types of interview questions based upon the candidate experience we may expect during our interviews. Okay, so then Chandramohan, reverse string explain me interview wise. Yeah, definitely Chandramohan, there will be one question definitely for each and everyone in terms of string concept, either it is how to create a string, and how many types of ways to create a string, and then what are the different methods we have inside our string. Okay, that is string dot, I mean, replace all, replace, trim, caret. Okay, so likewise we have many methods inside our string concept. At the same time, there are three types of interview questions which are related to reverse a string, that is how to reverse a string with the help of string method, that is reverse method. At the same time, how to reverse a string with the help of string builder and string buffer classes. At the same time, how we can reverse a string without, I mean, with the help of for loop. Okay, and also there is some question how to he will give you some string where that string will contain alphabetical, alpha numerical and special characters. Okay, so interviewer just want to count in the given string how many vowels are there, how many integers are there, and how many special characters are there, and how many white spaces are there. He will ask you in that way also, Chandramohan. And then Hemant Kumar Korada, will you upload API testing videos from basics? Definitely I will try to upload Hemant Kumar Korada, but I'm not getting enough time to upload videos on daily basis which are related to API testing. But if time permits, I will upload as soon as possible. Okay, yeah, any other questions guys, does anyone have? Please let me know from the live chat. Okay, I hope for Ankush Chauhan and Chandramohan, I cleared for your questions, I guess. Okay, so any other questions, and also even for Hemant Kumar Korada and even for Prabal Kumar, thank you so much guys for joining the live session now. Okay, so after 2 weeks we are connecting again. Okay, please utilize this time, and you can raise all your questions from the live chat. And also please, once again I am requesting you all, please go through all our videos from live chat, I mean from our channel. Yeah, thank you so much Hemant Kumar Korada, thank you so much. Any other questions guys, any other questions? If you have, feel free to ask me from the live chat. Yeah, Chandramohan, tell me how to become SDET engineer. Yeah, that is a good question. If you are an SDET engineer means you should have proper experience. Okay, if you have more than 9 years of experience or 10 years of experience, so that too based upon your skills. Okay, you are very good at, okay, you are very good at the programming language where you are familiar with. At the same time, you are very good at developing the frameworks. At the same time, you are familiar with conducting the database testing. At the same time, you are very good at conducting the API testing. At the same time, you are very good at conducting some performance testing. So means if you want to become an SDET means you must and should have completely to know about starting and ending point of an automation testing, as well as from development point of view as well. Okay, so then only we can become as an SDET engineer, but it will require more number of years of experience if you want to become an SDET engineer. Okay, you must and should have to know each and everything. Okay, so then only you will become SDET engineer. Yeah, how to learn and practice database testing. Yeah, Ankush Chauhan, thank you so much for your question. One more question again. Yeah, I have already made two dedicated videos. One you can find it from database testing live session from our channel, and also I have uploaded one dedicated video, the basics of database testing, like how we can install our MySQL inside our machines. At the same time, how we can establish a connection to that particular database what we are using with the help of JDBC, and then how we can fetch the data from the database and how we can enter the details into our Orange HRM login application, application login functionality. Okay, so this concept I have made already one dedicated video. Please find that video, either it is from database testing live session under automation live playlist, as well as one video I have uploaded under automation testing playlist. Okay, please go through that two videos, Ankush Chauhan, which will explain you the basics, so how we can perform all these activities while doing database testing. Okay, so why we are using alert methods to click on or cancel button, but we cannot inspect like other elements. Yeah, but we can inspect that one as well, Ashwant. Okay, we can inspect that alerts as well. Okay, in worst cases, if you are the alert click but OK button or cancel button, if it is dynamically changing, means we are going to write some export to handle the export, to handle the alerts. And again, there are different types of alerts. We have Windows based and web based alerts. So these and all we can handle in different way. Okay, so we can handle that one alerts, Ashwant issue. And also we have to create a reusable method. Okay, it is not in a like a normal way, so but we have to create each and every method as in a generic way, so where we can reuse the created method entire our framework again and again. Is there any design pattern other than page object model? So as per my knowledge, I don't know about is there any other design pattern models. Okay, but almost all the projects are using the design pattern, that is page object model only. Okay, so if you learn and if you are good at page object model, means then that should be enough for you. I don't think there won't be any page other than page object model as design patterns. Okay, how to prepare Jira interview questions? So nothing, Ankush Chauhan. So we have to learn from Google only. There won't be specific topics about Jira interview questions. Okay, because which are related to the tabs wise only. So that's why I'm telling there won't be any specific Jira interview questions. But again, so that is completely depends upon your workflow, how you are automating your application. Okay, from starting, like once if you find any defect, so what is a tab to upload to assign to any developer? Once he fixes that one, what is the tab we need to find? So likewise, and also we will get what is the user story. So in that user story also we can have some tasks and subtasks. So these and all will be there, but there won't be any interview questions so far, I guess. But if you want, you can prepare it from Google it only. Surely I can tell you that one. Okay, if the channels will provide you the interview questions from Jira as well. Okay, that too they will also do it from googling only. Okay, googling, they will google and they will filter some interview questions based upon the candidate's experience, and they will upload some videos. But I will suggest you to go through the Google only, so then you can search for that particular Jira interview questions, so that you will get some knowledge about that one, right? Any other questions? Yeah, thank you so much, Ashwant Eshu and Hemant Kumar Korada. Thank you so much. If you have any other questions, guys. Yeah, thank you so much, Ankush Chauhan. So I will suggest you in that way only. Okay, those are related to tabs and the workflow what you are following in your company. Okay, and also I have made a dedicated video about agile methodology as well. Please upload different questions like how to launch incognito mode in Chrome. Yeah, definitely, Hemant Kumar Korada. I think you only suggest me to make one video on how to open, how to launch our Chrome browser in incognito mode. I hope that is helping you. At the same time, yeah, I will try to upload some different concepts. But actually, I have started one Selenium series where where I started from the basics of Selenium concepts. So currently, we have covered till automating the web tables. Okay. About desired capabilities, yeah, as you can see, we are having different properties. For example, if we can take Chrome browser, so where we can manipulate the properties of Chrome browser. So what are the different properties means? That is, we can disable the pop-ups, as well as we can by defaultly we can set some zoom level. Okay, and also we can set some notification bar is disabling, and also we can set some capabilities as well. So we can do all these things with the help of Chrome options. Desired capabilities is also there, but on the latest version of Selenium, if you are using desired capabilities means we have to merge it to Chrome options. Okay, because desired capabilities is no more available in the latest version of Selenium. But if you are using desired capabilities on our latest version of Selenium means you will get some you will get definitely some deprecated warning message. So that's the reason why we are using Chrome options class to manipulate different properties which are related to the specific browsers. Okay. Guys, my voice is too high, or how it will be, so that I can decrease my mic volume. Is that fine, I guess now? Yeah, any other questions from anyone? Please let me know from the live chat, guys. Yeah, thank you so much, Hemant Kumar Korada. And I would like to thankful for each and everyone who are joined with me now, and also who are supporting from beginning of our channel. Okay, so especially some people are there. Okay, so real money will be debited while checking payment gateways. Real money will be debited while checking payment gateways. Real money will be debited. I'm not sure, Ram, what you are expecting the question. Okay, from that particular question what you have asked, I'm not sure. Maybe that question was not in a clear way. Okay, yeah, Hemant Kumar, thank you so much. Yeah, about JavaScript executor. Okay, so I have already covered this one. Again, I will tell you one more time. Hemant Kumar Korada. And Ram, I guess I'm not able to understand what you are expecting from my side. If that is the case, please let me know from the live chat. So what you are expecting exactly. Okay, so please let me know. So real money is not going to be debited if you are checking with payment gateways means in our project there will be some test data which was already created along with the usernames and along with the account names and account numbers and the banks and all. Okay, you won't debit any real money if you are testing any payment gateways for your application. Okay, thank you so much for asking that question, Ram. Okay, here which one? Here Hemant Korada asked about what is this one, JavaScript executor. So I have already covered this, right, Hemant Kumar? Okay, I have already covered. Please check out our channel about JavaScript executor, and also multiple times I have covered this question while explaining our interview questions, and also while explaining any one of our topic. Okay, anyway, I will tell you. So here JavaScript is an web scripting language used to make the web page interactive. Okay, so we are using this JavaScript to interact more with our web pages. Okay, at the same time here JavaScript executor means, so why we are using means in Selenium WebDriver we can find any types of locators, right, to inspect, I mean to find out any element with the help of driver.find element and find elements. Okay, the locators like XPath or ID or name or CSS, any kind of locator it will be. So during that time but some what will happen, these locators cannot identify, or these locators are not going to be work. So at that situations we can use this JavaScript executor. Okay, right? So we can use this JavaScript executor in that cases. So and again, what is JavaScript executor means? So first of all, it is an interface, okay, and it will indicates that driver can execute the JavaScript, okay. At the same time, here execute script means it is a method, okay. Execute script is a method, and this method is implemented from JavaScript executor, but this execute script will execute the JavaScript in the context of the currently selected element, okay. That is about execute script, Hemant Kumar Korada. So I hope I cleared you on that one. So what is JavaScript executor and what is execute script? Okay, any other questions from anyone, guys? Please let me know from the live chat. So let me check. Okay, currently 5 are watching. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, any other questions from anyone? Please do let me know from the live chat, and feel free to ask me. Okay. Okay. uh, will check. Yeah, sure. Level task for practice in Selenium automation. Yeah, Prabal Kumar. So what I will suggest means, so you can try to automate some XMLs. So, for example, if you open any Google website, okay, so in that Google you can search for XML example, okay. So take that particular XML code and store into some text file. So once if you launch your application, it will show you the XML which is present on the UI, right? So at the same time, the XML where you have stored inside your text file, you can automate. I mean, you can compare those two. Okay, how we can compare the XML from the UI web page as well as the XML where you have stored inside your text file, and also where you can store inside any one of the Excel file or CSV file. Okay, so that you can automate that scenario, and also you can automate some dynamically web elements, okay, where that web elements are keep on changing, and also you can try to automate window handlings. Okay, this is where every project is frequently automating. So these are all kind of challenges for each and every automation tester, and also work on some dynamic exports. Okay, and also work on this one, alerts. So like Windows pop-up alerts and web-based pop-up alerts, and also we can have some uploading the files with the help of auto IT and securely. So you can also try those two scenarios as well, and also you can work on some page object model. So how we can create all the pages and how we can validate by storing all the information into XLSX files for each and every validation. So likewise, we need to prioritize. Okay, we need to think in such a way that what are the different challenges we have, so accordingly we can go and automate. Okay, you can please practice on that one. And in interview sometimes asking how we will you choose whether the project is for manual or automation. So there won't be any decision to choose whether that is manual or automation, because each and every project, I mean, if you are consider any project means, if that is a maintenance project means, then definitely there will be manual tester as well as automation tester. Okay, if that is a small size project means, if it is not a maintenance project, such as for example, there is one online I mean there is some online uh, shopping mall, okay, so where the user can buy some products from that particular shopping mall. Okay, so that we can consider it as a small size project where it is applicable for waterfall model. So these kind of projects which is not required for automation testing. Okay, the projects where the size is bigger, okay, that is called as maintenance projects. So for these maintenance project we can conducting the automation testing as well as manual testing also. Okay, it is completely depends upon the size of the project and type of the project and domain of the project. Okay, yeah, sure, Prabal Kumar and Ram and Hemant Korada, thank you so much. Yeah, any other questions, guys? Yeah, thank you so much, Ram, thank you. And also please check out all our videos from our channel Selenium Tech Automation, so that if you find at least 1 or 2% help, please like that video and please subscribe to our channel. And also please share our videos to your friends or buddies or colleagues, so that they will also learn and also they will also get some at least in terms of 1 or 2% help from our channel. Okay, so please guys. And then any other questions from anyone? Any other questions from anyone? Okay, thank you so much, Prabal Kumar. Thank you. Okay, so once again, what I will suggest to you, if you are planning to start your career as an automation test engineer, means, so first what I will suggest, first learn the manual testing concepts. Okay, which is from starting. What is a manual testing and what are the different types of methodologies we have, and what is SDLC model, and then what is STLC model, and later you can learn about what is white box testing, what is black box testing. In our black box testing, what is functional testing and what is non-functional testing, and also inside that functional testing we have system testing, and also we can have ad hoc testing, regression testing, retesting, sanity, smoke. So these are all comes under functional testing. And if you come to non-functional testing, means performance testing, load testing, and UI testing, compatibility testing. So these are all comes under, and globalization testing, internalization testing, localization testing, okay, ad hoc testing. So what are the different types of testings we have under non-functional testing? So later you can learn about test case design techniques. What are the different different design test case, I mean test case design techniques we have. And then once if you done, what is a test plan template, and what is test scenario summary report, what is test case summary report, what is test scenario report, and what is test case report, what is test plan template. So then you can learn about database testing, and you can learn about what is defect life cycle, what is the difference between bug and I mean difference between defect and bug, and what is give me some examples of defect severity, I mean bug severity and defect priority. Okay, examples for defect priority and bug severity. Okay, and also defect life cycle. And then if you are learned already about ALM, means we can learn about that ALM as well for interview purpose. And then you can learn about some bug tracking tools, that is either Jiva or Bugzilla or any kind of tracking tool. So once that is done, you can learn about some database testing, okay, which is really helping for manual testers. So once if you learn the manual testing concept, then don't switch immediately to learn automation testing concepts. Because if I want to automate any application, okay, first I want to learn programming language. With the help of this programming language only, we are going to use the Selenium commands, right? Without learning any programming language, so how we can automate with only Selenium commands to any application? So that's why please learn the programming languages as per your convenience, that is Java or .NET or Python or Perl, any kind of language. And also pick the language which is having more popular nowadays in the market, I will suggest to go with Python or Java. Okay, so that too in Java you can learn only core Java concepts are enough for you. Okay, once that is done, then you can learn the automation testing concepts, basic from, I mean starting from what is an automation testing, and what is a Selenium WebDriver, and what are the different types of Selenium components we have. And then you can learn about some basic programs. In Selenium also we need to learn some basic programs, like how we can launch our application, and how we can fetch the URL for, I mean URL for the current web page. And also you can learn about some browser level commands, and also you can learn about some navigation commands, and also you can learn about auto AT Coolie, about Apache Py to handle the reading and writing operations of Excel documents. And also you can learn about what is TestNG, what are the different types of features which are offering by TestNG, what are the different types of annotations we have. So what is a parallel keyword, how we can execute our test cases in parallel mode. And then you can learn our how to execute multiple TestNG.xml files at suite level. And also you can learn about different types of frameworks, and also you can learn about how to automate checkboxes, automating the dynamic web tables, as well as automating the dynamic web elements, as well as different types of locators, what is the difference between driver.find element and find elements. Okay, and what is selected method, is displayed method, and is enabled method. Okay, so we can learn all these things once if you are familiar with Java programming language. Okay, Carla Mangesh, TestNG, what is TestNG? Good question, Carla Mangesh, and thank you so much for visiting the channel. And please support for our upcoming videos as well. So thank you so much for joining with me. And your question is, what is TestNG? So why we are testing we are using testing means it is mainly for executing a purpose. At the same time we can control our program execution order. Okay, we can control our programming execution order with the help of TestNG. And also there are different features are provided by the TestNG, such as different annotations. And also if you want to automate the data driven testing related test cases, we can use at the data provider annotation. And also there are different types of validations we can perform with the help of TestNG, which is providing the methods like asset true, asset false, and asset class. At the same time, with the help of TestNG, we can control our program execution flow order. At the same time, with the help of TestNG, we can execute all our test cases at suite level with the concept of testng.xml file. At the same time, we can execute multiple test cases at suite level with the help of testng.xml file. At the same time, we can execute multiple testng.xml file at a time. Okay, so these are all the different features or concepts provided by the testng, because we don't have any features which are from Selenium or Java, right? So these features what we have listed so far, so these are not available in Java or Selenium. So that's why we are using here TestNG. With the help of TestNG, we can generate some understandable reports where there is not required to write any extra code. Okay, so that's why we are using this TestNG inside our Selenium. Okay, mainly it is for execution purpose only. Okay, any other questions from anyone, guys? Please let me know. Okay, we will take it for 10 more minutes. After that we can end this particular live session. And also once again I am thanking each and everyone name by name. Thank you so much, guys, for joining with me. Please, if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask me from the live chat. Till 2:11 we will discuss. After that we can close the session. And also please follow our videos from our channel Selenium Tech Automation. Okay, come on, guys, if any other questions from anyone have, please let me know from the live chat. And also I would like to suggest to you all, please upload your resumes in naukri.com website on daily basis on the I mean you can schedule your time when to upload your resume. So I will suggest you, mostly you can upload your resumes in naukri at morning 8 a.m before or 9 a.m before. Okay, even if you don't have any if you don't make I mean if you don't want to make any changes also, you can just open your resume, or you can just open your naukri.com site. So there you can edit at least by removing any full stop, or removing any what or is or any type of sentence you have written, right? So just modify that line and you can update it one. Okay, automatically your profile will get be updated. Okay, it is not required to upload your resume daily. Okay, if you feel, if you learn anything new means you can update your resume on daily basis. If there is no updation means on your resume, you can directly open your naukri.com site, then you can modify any one of the sentence. For example, I entered my career objective as something, so there I can delete something and again paste the same thing, then automatically your profile will be updated. So likewise we have to follow. Profile will be updated. So likewise we have to follow. Okay, any other questions guys, any other questions? If nothing is there, we can wind up this particular live session. If something is there to discuss, you can ask me from the live chat, no issues. Till we have 7 more minutes in interview, which type of project related questions? Yeah, the first question here is explain about your framework. Yeah, sure, Chandramohan. Not an issue. Yeah, okay. Even I am also having the same communication problem. So even you also get to know the way how I am talking, because it is a live session, right? So that's why I want to search for some words how I can communicate with you people. So that's why it is taking time for me. But if it is not a live session, I can familiar up to myself. Okay, so communication problem will be for anyone. Okay, everyone is facing the problem that is called as communication skills. If you want to improve your communication skills means just read the newspaper on daily basis. Okay, any type of newspaper it will be which is in english format. Okay, and please don't learn the english or don't read any english sentences from mobile. Okay, if you want to improve your communication skills means just read english newspapers on daily basis. Just go outside and buy one newspaper. Okay, whether it is 2 rupees or 3 rupees, so that you can read that particular newspaper for 2 or 3 days, so that you can improve your communication. And also one more suggestion, please don't don't feel hesitation. Okay, don't feel hesitate to communicating with other people. Okay, even they are also not good about their communications before they are talking with you. We have to think in the same way that I am also very good at my communication skill. Just give a try. So that try you will keep on trying means you will get familiar with your communications as well. Okay, Ashwant, Ashu, in interview which type of project related questions? Yeah, definitely the first question here will be explain about yourself. Okay, after that explain about your framework, and then explain about your framework folder structure, that is from complete end to end flow. Once that is done, he will ask you about, okay, he will ask you about which are the oops concepts you have used inside your project. Okay, and interviewer don't ask you any questions in depth of your project. Okay, you can just explain him about your project what is what, and don't mention anything in detail, because we are exploring our project details to other company. That is not the good practice if you are attending for any interview. Okay, you can tell him these are the modules I am currently working on, this module, and this is the functionality of my application. Okay, don't mention in detail, there are some terms and abbreviations are there. Please don't reveal all those details to any interviewer. Okay, you can just tell him what is what. this module I am working, and this is the process what we are following, agile process, and this is the framework what I am using. And then you can explain about your framework folder structure from end to end. Okay, then he will ask you about whoops concepts you have used inside your project, either it is from abstraction or interface, inheritance, polymorphism, constructor, or collections concept, or any type of it will be. Okay, so there won't be any specific project related interview questions. So these many only, hardly 4 to 5 questions he will ask you. Okay, then he will continue with the remaining interview questions, where those are all technical interview questions. Okay, yeah, sure, Chandramohan, thank you so much. And Ashwant, Ashu, I guess your question got cleared. Okay, thank you so much, Ashwant, Ashu. Any other questions from anyone I can expect? Yeah, any other questions, guys? If nothing is there, we can wind up the live session now. We will continue on uploading the videos, okay, from today evening onwards. Okay, weekly twice or once I will connect with you people. Please be available so that we can interact more about automation testing or software testing jobs. Okay, either it is manual or automation, not an issue. We can connect a weekly once or twice. Before that, I will upload videos on daily basis. Okay, and also if you are new to our channel, so please subscribe to my channel, and please support our channel in upcoming days as well, please guys. Again, I'm requesting you all. And still, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me from the live chat. Okay, still there are 2 more minutes to go. We can close the live session now. Okay, 1 more minute. Please, if you have any questions, please feel free to ping in the live chat. Okay, even if you forget also, please mention your question in any one of our video, so that I will read and I will respond you on time only. Okay, so because even Chandramohan and some people are there, so they are getting the response on within 1 hour or 30 minutes, or even in 1 minute also they are getting response. Okay, so please feel free to mention your questions in any one of our video as comment, so that I will take and I will reply back to you. Okay, any other questions, guys, or do you want me make any videos on any concept? Please let me know from comment section or from live chat. If you are expecting any type of videos which are related to any concept, please feel free to comment in any one of our videos. And also, if you want to ping now, you can ping in the live chat. Okay, I will try to upload the video, even it will take 1 or 2 days for time to upload. Not an issue, we can do that one, not an issue. Yeah, thank you so much, Chandramohan. Yeah. Okay, we can close the session now. So please respond me from the live chat, otherwise I will directly ending the session. Please respond me from the live chat. So I am going to end the session. Please mention yes or no, so that I can proceed further. How many all exceptions are? Yeah, Selenium we have exceptions, as well as we have exceptions from Java as well, Chandramohan. Okay, in Java we can have like many exceptions. We can handle those exceptions with the help of try, catch, and finally blocks. Okay, so if you are mentioning about Selenium exceptions, means there will be no such element exception or no such window, or there are many types of exceptions, session not created exception. So likewise, okay, I'm not sure about the count. Okay, there will be more than 20 exceptions, I can say. Yeah, thank you so much, Ashwant Eshu, and thank you so much, Chandra Mohan. Thank you so much. Okay, and also please go through the concept of exception as well from Java. Okay, so that will also help you a lot. Yeah, sure, Chandramohan. Thank you. Okay, so that's all it for now, guys. Especially for Chandramohan, Ashwant Eshu, and Prabal Kumar, and Hemant Kumar Korada, and Ram. Okay, each and everyone, and Ankush Chauhan. Okay, so these many I know. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for your time and for joining the live session. So still, if you have any questions to ask, you can feel free to ping in any one of our video under comment section. But still, if you are having any questions, please feel free to ping me in the live chat before ending the session. Okay, I will give you 1 minute of time. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ping in the live chat now. Once this session is got completed, even you have one more chance where you can mention your comment in any one of our video under comment section. Okay, okay, please be updated yourself on daily basis. Please learn which is the tool is getting popular day by day, and please learn the versions of Selenium, Java, and also the versions of which one, TestNG and all, because unfortunately you will get these questions also sometimes. Okay, we must and should have to learn about the versions of Java, as well as version of Selenium, as well as version of extent report, Apache Py, version of extent report, version of TestNG. So sometimes there will be chances to get a question from these type of questions as well. Okay, okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I wish you very all the best if you are starting your career as an automation test engineer or software tester. Okay, so till then, take care everyone. Have a nice day. Signing off, Selenium Tech Automation. We will connect once again on next week live session. If possible, I will connect with you on tomorrow. Okay, so before that, please go through all our videos, which will really helps you a lot. If you found any one of our video is helping you, at least 1% also you can drop a like, so that which will really helps me, and also it will motivate me to make more videos on behalf of you people. Okay, please keep that in mind, guys, and please support our channel for upcoming videos as well. Thank you so much. Take care everyone. Have a nice lunch, and please enjoy these 2 days. Okay, thank you so much, Chandramohan. Thank you so much. Bye. I'm ending the session now. Okay, still if you have any questions, feel free to ask me from the comment section from any one of our video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.